बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है मैथ 9th क्लास। टॉपिक है इक्वल मैट्रिक्स। और मुसावी कलब। जी दो कलब कब मुसावी होते हैं? जब टू मैट्रिक्स आर said to be equal if number one their order are same, number two corresponding elements of each matrix are same. Then we say that matrices are equal. That is, let A is a matrix 2, 3, 5, 1 and B 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, G 1 plus 0. Here we see that corresponding element of A and B are equal. 2 and 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2 and 1, 1 plus 0, and their order is 2 by 2. Here 2 by 2. So we say that A and B are equal. And now we discuss in exercise 1.1. Find the order of the following matrix. Exercise 1, question number 1. Find the order of the following matrix. Here A is a matrix and we want to find its order. Here 2 rows and 2 columns. So here order is 2 by 2. And order of B is also 2 by 2. Order of C, rows 1 and columns are 2, then order is 1 by 2. And now in D, rows are 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 by column is 1. And in E, rows 1, 2, 3. 3 by columns are 1, 2. And from F, row also 1 and column is also 1. Order is 1 by 1. And in G, order is 3 by 3. Question number 2. Find which of the following matrices are equal. हमारे पास कुछ मैट्रिक्स दिए हुए हैं A, B, C, D, E, F, G H, I and J, and we have to find which two matrices are equal. Here A, its order is 1 by 1, and from all these matrices we find whose order is 1 by 1. Here C matrix is order 1 by 1, and corresponding elements also same. Here 3 is element of A, and 5 minus 2 is also 3 element of C. Then we say that A equal to C. Further, we find which matrix is equal to B. Here we see that its order is 1 by 2, and which one matrix also is the same, I. 3, and 3 plus 2 order is also same, 1 by 2, and corresponding elements also same. And we see that D matrix, we note it B equal to I. And now D, its order is 1 by 2. Here is no element, here is no matrix which is equal to matrix D, because all these matrices are different order, not equal to D. So here is no element which is equal to D. Now we find H, E and J. These matrices have same order, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. Second condition for equal matrix is corresponding elements. We check that corresponding elements of E 4, H 4 and J 2 plus 2 4. Corresponding elements are so same of E equal to H equal to J. It's okay, clear? Question number 3, exercise 1.1. Find the value of A, B, C and D. Here two matrices, two equal matrices are given. We know that when two matrices are equal, their order are same and corresponding element are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. We know that two matrices are equal, so corresponding element of these matrices are equal. Let A plus C equal to 0, A plus 2B equal to minus 7, C minus 1 equal to 3, 4D minus 6 equal to 2D. We get 4 equations, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now to finding the value of A, B, and C, and D. We solve these equations from 3. From equation 3, we find value of C, that is C minus 1 equal to 3, C equal to 3 plus 1, C equal to 4. We find the value of C from equation 3. Now, we put value of C equal to 4 in equation 1. One is A plus C equal to 0. Here we find A because we know that value of C is 4. A equal to minus 4. That is the value of A. And we have two equations, which is 2 and 4, where we find value of B and D. From equation 2, A plus 2B equal to minus 7. We put value of A from here in equation 2, minus 4 plus 2B equal to minus 7. Now 2B equal to minus 7 plus 4. 2B equal to minus 3. This implies that B equal to minus 3 by 2 or B equal to minus 1.5. From equation 4, we find value of D, which is 4D minus 6 equal to 2D. 4D इसको हम इधर ले आएंगे minus 2D. इसकी नोटेशन चेंज हो जाएगी जब ये इक्वल साइन क्रॉस करेगी. इसी तरह जब 6 इक्वल साइन क्रॉस करेगा तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. तो 4D से 2D माइनस करेंगे तो 2D रह जाएगा. यहाँ 6 D इक्वल टू 6 by 2 and D equal to 3. These are the value of A, B, C and D, which are A equal to minus 4, B equal to minus 1.5, C equal to 4 and D equal to 3. So our exercise 1.1 is completed. Any question arise?